It's a good question here. How can you determine where the industry is heading when deciding what to learn? So the main thing, and that's what I do with my coaching students, and what you can also do with the help of the academy. The main thing you should do is you should first of all decide roughly where do I want to go, like what's your goal, um, which industries are you targeting, and then do research, search job postings in your area, in the area you want to go, categorize what's in there, with what data are they working with, what tools are they working, and through doing that, through categorizing the tools, through like marking, okay, this once, twice, three, four, five times, then you get I have that in the coaching. I first of all I give you a few insights I had through the coaching, but overall that's the process. I know it needs a bit of work, but that helps you the most. Of course, we could say, okay, AWS, Spark, Kafka are the main learning topics, which is not. It's not. It may be overall on average, but it could be that in your area and the companies you're targeting, uh, like automotive or aeronautics, these could have very different requirements and use very different tools in general, and so it makes sense to do research.